Hello guys, how you doing? So in today's video we are going to see the types of comment in Python. So let's start with that. So first of all we are going to see the use of a comments in Python. So comments can be used to explain the Python code. Comments can be used to make the code more readable, and comments can be used to prevent execution when testing the code. Like if we are testing a code and we wanna see if this line works or not, so we can use a comment there. We can comment out the code and we can simply run our code. So let's see the types of comments in Python. There are mainly three types of comments in Python, that is single line comment, multi-line comment and doc string type comment. So these all comments have different uses in the Python code. First is the single line comment. Single line comments are created simply by beginning a line with the hash character, and they are automatically terminated by the end of a line. Example is hello world. So let's see the example in PyCharm. We are going to run the comment. We are going to write a short program for that. So I'm writing here print hello world. We will writing a comment hashtag program for hello world. Let's run the program. Here is the output, that is hello world, and it did not print the comment which we have written in the above line of the print hello world. So we can use the hashtag for a single line comments. Let's see if we can comment out the code also. So I will be writing a hashtag in front of this code. Let's run the program. Okay, so it commented out the code and it is not visible in the output. Let's see if we can use the hashtag at the end of the program or code, if it comments out the code hashtag. So I will be running the program again. Okay, so it did not commented out the code when we are writing the hashtag at the end of a line. So this was the single line comment. Let's see the multi-line comments. Okay, you can simply add hashtag for every line, but it is time consuming and very tedious task, so not quite intended. You can use multi-line string also. Since Python will ignore string literals that are not assigned to a variable, you can add a multi-line string triple quotes in your code and place your comment inside it. So let's see the example in PyCharm. So I will be using the quotes, triple quotes. I will be writing the multi-line comment in this. So let's keep it simple. Let's write this is multi-line comment. Print hello world. Let's run this code now. Okay, so this is multi-line, that is we have written 3 lines of comment with the help of triple quotes. So this is how the multi-line comment works. If you want to eliminate any number of lines of code, you can use multi-line comments. Let's see if this is my Python terminal. Okay, so if I want to eliminate or hide these two lines of codes, then if I'm using the hashtag, so I will have to use hashtag for every line. So this can also be a multi-line comment. Let's run the program. Okay, so it commented out the entire code if I'm using hashtag for two different lines. But if the code is too long that we cannot use hashtag for every line, then we can simply use the triple quotes for that. Okay, so let's see if this works or not. Okay, so it did work. It's not showing the output in the in this output terminal. So this multi-line comments with triple quotes does work. So let's see the third type of comment, which is docstring type of comment. So generally it is used for writing the information about your code. We can write the information about our function or a code. If writing for a function, if you wanna explain what this function is going to do, you can use a docstring type of comment. While writing code, you can write the information about your code, like what your code is going to do, like that. For example, let's see one example of a docstring type comment. So if I'm writing a function which will be binary search, so the docstring type of comment will explain what this function is going to do. Let's run this. Okay, so this does work, the docstring type comment. This will mainly provide the documentation of your function or your code, that what your code is going to do next, what your function is about. So these are the three types of comment in Python. If you find this video useful, then please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting the whole tutorial for a Python, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for next video. And thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.